Hey guys, it's April. I know I just redid all of the Design Space videos for you guys. If you are on a laptop or a computer, you're going to be noticing some differences. There's going to be an update. Some of you may already have it. I am using the beta version 6.3.9. So if you have version 6.3, yours is going to look a little bit different on your toolbar up here. When you insert your shapes instead of Linetype, you're going to hear me throughout the video say Linetype. And what I'm talking about has now been changed to operation. If you look up here in your top corner, and our no fill, our print cut is gone. They've moved it and changed it all. So all of your cutting, your basic, your wavy, and your perforation tool are right here. All your drawing for pen, your foiling, your score, your deboss, and engrave are here because they don't actually cut. These actually cut into your material. And then down here you have print and cut. And when you click on your print and cut standard, then you're going to get that operation of print and cut up here, and you're just going to click the box and everything is going to be the same. So you can come in here and find your pattern. They look like they load a little bit faster, a little bit quicker. I selected the wrong one there. That's a PNG. Let's see if I can get it to change. I said it goes a little bit faster. It may not be any faster, but it seems to be. You can still go in, all of your edit the pattern, all of that stuff is all the same. The only difference throughout the video is instead of having two blocks here, everything is under one header called operation instead of your line types. That's the only difference that they've moved. Now, later on, and I will do a video when we get it, I think they made a boo-boo and let this photo slip, but it looks like our offsets are coming, or in some cases, some people call them shadow layers. But if you're looking at the release notes, it is not actually in the release notes, but you will see it here in the photo. I will do an update video to those once we have that tool as well to show you how to use it. Have a great day. Wanted to give you that update. Keep watching those videos. Give a thumbs up and a like, and I'll catch you on the next one.